Very good morning, students. You must be thinking, what is the new topic that we are going to learn today? And can you guess? Yes, it is something about the properties of magnet. So today in this video, children, we are going to see what are the properties that a magnet bears, or what are magnetic material and what are non-magnetic materials, and what are the different properties that a magnet is having. So let's see one by one. The first one is magnets have two poles, North Pole and South Pole. Like poles repel, unlike poles attract. Third property, poles always exist in pairs. Poles हमेशा they always exist in pairs. Next property is magnetic strength is maximum at poles. Poles means the North Pole and the South Pole. Next is attractive property. Next is attractive property of a magnet. And then we will see the directive property of a magnet. And after that, we will see the repulsion test, which we consider as the sure test of magnetism, that is repulsion. Attraction is shown by the magnetic material, bachcho, but the repulsion is shown only by the magnet. So, if you want to test a magnet, then repulsion is the sure test of magnetism. So, today we are going to see all these properties one by one. Okay, now here comes the first property of magnet, and that is magnets have two poles. Can you see the magnet in front of you, children? Can you see the magnet? So this is a U-shaped magnet, and you can see they have two colors. So two colors indicate the two poles. So one is North Pole and other is South Pole. Okay, and if you consider this as North Pole, then this is South Pole. So each magnet is having two poles. One is North Pole and South Pole. ठीक है? Same in the same way. This is U-shaped. Now come to the bar magnet. If you take a bar magnet, so bar magnet is also two side colors. See, one is north, other is south. If you consider this as north, so this is north, this is south. So each magnet is having two poles. ठीक है? इसके अलावा if you have a circular magnet, ठीक है? तो उसमें भी जो top side होगा, that is a north pole, and down side it is south pole. So now the next property, that is the second property, is like poles repel. Like means north north, south south. So like here means होता है बच्चों, that is like, तो जैसे north north it is a like pole, south south is a like pole. So these two poles, if they are like, they repel. So let's see whether they repel or not. So here I have taken two magnets. Here I have taken two magnets, and see the poles, they are like, if this is south, this is also south. So let's see. Oh no, like poles, like. See. Like poles. See, these two are like poles. I am trying to join this, but they are unable to join. They are unable to attract. One, unlike pole attracts. So if one is north, other is south. Let's see. Yes. See, this is one and this is other. So these both are unlike. So unlike poles, they attract. See. Okay. Now let's change the direction. So this is now north and this is south. Let's see. So can you see this, children? Unlike poles are unlike, so they attract. So this is the next property, that like poles repel and unlike poles attract. Now come to the next property. Now the third property is poles exist in pair. मैग्नेट में हमेशा टू पोल्स होते हैं, वन इज नॉर्थ अदर इज साउथ, ठीक है, और ये हमेशा पेयर में रहते हैं. इफ आई ब्रेक दिस मैग्नेट, अगर मैं इस मैग्नेट को यहां से तोड़ दूं बच्चों, तो मेरे पास सिर्फ इतना मैग्नेट बचेगा, है ना. और इतने मैग्नेट में भी वन इज नॉर्थ अदर इज साउथ. सो मैग्नेट को अगर आप कितने भी पीसेस में कर दीजिए, इफ आई ब्रेक द मैग्नेट फ्रॉम हेयर, ठीक है, if I break the magnet from here, यहां से भी अगर मैं इसको तोड़ देती हूं बच्चों, यहां से भी मैंने अगर इसको तोड़ दिया इन केस, ठीक है, तब भी मेरा एक नॉर्थ होगा और एक साउथ होगा. फाइन. सो मैग्नेट्स आर ऑलवेज एंड ऑलवेज दे एग्जिस्ट इन पेयर. सेम विद द हेल्प ऑफ बार मैग्नेट ऑल्सो. अगर इफ आई ब्रेक इट फ्रॉम हेयर, यहां से मैं इसको तोड़ दूं, सपोज यहां से मैंने इसको ऐसे ब्रेक कर दिया, ठीक है. अब मेरे पास दो मैग्नेट हो गए. अब दो मैग्नेट में भी वन इज नॉर्थ, अदर विल बी साउथ. फाइन. इधर भी one will be north, other will be south. So this shows that the magnets always exist in pair. Now the next property, magnetic strength is maximum at poles. As we have learned, they have two poles. So one is north pole and other is south pole. Fine. So let's see whether they have maximum strength as poles. So I have taken one magnet. I have taken one magnet and there are certain magnetic materials I have kept. वो pins हैं आपके पास, whatever the magnetic material, उसमें आयरन की चीजें हो, कोबाल्ट हो, निकल हो. These are the three metals जो मैग्नेट से अट्रैक्ट होते हैं. So I have kept here few things. Let's see. पहले हम मिडल में we'll try one and we'll try to stick to the middle. हम see. It is again going to the corner. No, corner में नहीं जाना है, बीच में रहना है. No, don't go to the corner. It is कहना नहीं मान रहा है. पिन को पकड़ते हैं कॉर्नर में. ओके, नहीं, मिडल में स्टिक होना है. ओके. Again it is going to the corner. Let's see. It is also going to the corner. इसको बीच में रखें. It is also try to going to the corner one. ओके, इसको रखते हैं. So can you see that these all material are going to the corner? That means the magnetic strength जो होती है बच्चों, that is maximum at the poles. वो poles पे सबसे ज्यादा होती है, north pole and south pole. So the iron metals or the magnetic materials जो होते हैं, जैसे iron, cobalt, nickel, so they stick to the north pole and south pole. ठीक, let's try the same thing with the help of U-shaped magnet. Okay, so I have taken here U-shaped magnet. अब I will try in the middle. ये देखो, see, it fell down. Again I will try. It fell down. चलो कोई बात नहीं. I will try with this one. Again it is fell down. ये no pin. Again it is fell down. How it is fell down? Now let's stick. See. Can you see that? यहाँ पे it is, यहाँ पे देखो. See. Again it is fell down. But यहाँ पे, see this one. Isn't it? See? So it is maximum at pole. Now the next property is, children, the attractive property of magnet. Magnet show attraction. ठीक है, और attraction कौन show करता है? Especially जो magnetic material होते हैं. Fine. और कौन कौन से magnetic material होते हैं? Always remember, it can be of iron. वो iron मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं बच्चों? वो आयरन के हो सकते हैं. Fe इज अ सिंबल ऑफ आयरन. ठीक है, वो कोबाल्ट के होते हैं. Co इज अ सिंबल ऑफ कोबाल्ट. फाइन. और वो किसके हो सकते हैं? निकल के हो सकते हैं. निकल इज अ सिंबल Ni is the symbol of nickel. And again I have kept here few things which either of cobalt or of nickel or of iron, and I will try to see. All I stick. So this shows the magnetic property of magnet. Can you see that? Attractive property of magnet. All I stick. Isn't it? See. Fine. There is one more experiment. Let's do that experiment. So for that what you require, let's take a paper cup, ठीक है, and then you can take a paper and then cover the paper cup, or you can take a cellophane and cover it well. ऊपर से पूरा cover कर देंगे, and you require a small pin with a thread. इस तरह से आप एक छोटे से पिन में, और if you have a nail, उस nail में एक छोटा सा ऐसे thread इसको ऐसे stick कर लेंगे. Fine. और बांध लेंगे. Now take a paper cup and with the help of paper cup if you can adjust, you can adjust. Otherwise हम इसे ऐसे hold करेंगे, and by holding it, let's see what will. Oh, what has happened? how the paper cup has tail now. Now how the paper cup is having tail? Earlier tail was not there. Oh, what is there? What is there? See, the paper pen has come up and stick to the cup. It is not coming out. It is not coming out. I am trying to pull, but it is not coming out. So how this magic happened, children? If you know that, please write in the comment box how this magic has happened. This magic has, again I am trying to pull. Okay. So how this happened? That means something is there inside. Let us check what is there. Oh, I have kept here a small piece of magnet. So with the help of magnet, children, the paper pen can easily stick to the paper cup. This shows the attractive property of magnet. Now the next is the children directive property of magnet. Directive property means magnets, they help in finding the direction. Require this magnetic compass. This is children magnetic compass. Can you see here? This is north and this is south. And it is fluctuating. Why it is fluctuating? Because I am changing the direction. So this is north and this is south. So can you see here? I am sitting in which position? I am sitting a little bit northeast position. Fine. So it rests in northeast. Well, it always used to find direction. And can you see that? Now this is our earth. It has two poles, geographical north pole and geographical south pole. Now if we take a magnet and allow the magnet freely suspended in air, then what we'll see? We'll see that it will rest in north and south position. So north, it is considered as north seeking pole, and south, it is considered as south seeking pole. Why? Because it rests in only and only in north and south directions. That's why these two, north and south, is also known as north seeking pole and south seeking poles. Earlier in olden days, navigators, they keep on using a device when they navigate, and the device is a magnetic compass. So magnetic compass has also a magnetic needle that points towards north. That is a geographical north pole, and the south, that is a geographical south pole. Now this is the device, that is a magnetic compass they used to use while navigating. Now after seeing the property, there is one more property, that is attraction is always shown by the magnetic material, that we have seen just now. We have done so many experiments which shows that magnetic materials are attracted by the magnet. मगर अगर आपको टेस्ट करना है, if you want to test it is a magnet, so attraction is the property? No. Repulsion is the property. Repulsion is a sure test of magnetism. क्यों बच्चों? क्योंकि जितने magnetic materials होते हैं बच्चे, they are always attracted by the magnet, and the magnet is also attracted by the magnet. Can you see that? Magnetic materials are also attracted by the magnet, and the magnet is also attracted by the magnet. ठीक? लेकिन अगर if you want to test, so magnet shows two properties, attraction and repulsion. So attraction is shown by the magnetic material also. So magnet का test करने के लिए we are seeing one more property, that is repulsion. So repulsion is the sure test of magnetism. See, it is repelling. It is repelling. Fine. So repulsion is the sure test of magnetism. If they are repelling each other, that means they are 100% magnet. Otherwise, they all are magnetic material. There is one more word, children, which is known as demagnetization. Fine. Magnet से हम सब खेलते हैं and we learn the different properties with the help of a magnet. ठीक है? मगर there is one more important term that we must know about that is demagnetization. So what is demagnetization? Demagnetization means magnet जो होता है उसकी property होती है magnetism. Fine. Now, at times when we do not keep our magnets properly, then they lose their attractive property. When the magnet, they lose their attractive property, that is known as demagnetized magnet, or this process is known as demagnetization. अगर आपको किसी मैग्नेट को डीमैग्नेटाइज करना है, मीन सपोज आई हैव दिस मैग्नेट एंड इट हैज द अट्रैक्टिव प्रॉपर्टी, इट शोज अट्रैक्शन, ठीक, बट आई वांट कि ये अब ये अट्रैक्टिव प्रॉपर्टी ना शो करे, तो व्हाट आई डू, इधर आई हैमर माई मैग्नेट, मैं अपने मैग्नेट को तोड़ दूं, ठीक है, सो लाइक दिस, या तो मैं हैमरिंग करूं या तो मैं अपने मैग्नेट को डायरेक्ट फ्लेम पे रख दूं. डायरेक्ट फ्लेम मीन्स इफ आई गिव अ वेरी हाई टेम्परेचर माई मैग्नेट गेट डीमैग्नेटाइज, और या मैं ऊपर से अपने मैग्नेट को बहुत बार नीचे फेंकूं, ड्रॉपिंग अ मैग्नेट फ्रॉम अ हाइट रिपीटेडली, it will be demagnetized. Or if I keep my magnet to the magnetic media, जैसे मैं अपने, you know that ना, all the electric appliances they have some or other magnetic chips or magnetic tapes inside them. So if I keep my magnet near the magnetic medias like कैसेट हो गया, मोबाइल हो गया, टेलीविजन हो गया, कॉम्पैक्ट डिस्क हो गया, या कंप्यूटर्स के पास लगातार रखेंगे, तो ग्रेजुअली दे लूज देयर मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी और दे लूज देयर अट्रैक्टिव प्रॉपर्टी एंड दे गेट डीमैग्नेटाइज. खराब हो जाते हैं ना मैग्नेट, खराब हो जाना दैट मीन्स डीमैग्नेटाइज. फाइन. That's why if you want to keep your magnet safely, always keep the magnet in magnetic keepers. It is known as magnetic keepers. Now, what are magnetic keepers? Children, magnetic keepers are soft iron pieces. Can you see here soft iron? ये soft iron pieces. This is one of the magnetic keeper that I am showing you. This one. So, soft iron pieces होते हैं which are actually attached to the both the poles. क्योंकि यही poles में maximum strength होती है. So, we attach like this. Like this. Fine. And ये दोनों stick ना हो, इसलिए in between there is a soft plastic coat. This is the correct way of placing your magnet. आप अपने magnet को ऐसे place कर सकते हैं with the help of these magnetic keepers. They are of soft iron इस दोनों side में, so that both the poles are covered and in between a plastic or a wooden sheet in between them. Fine. So this is the best way of keeping your magnet in a magnetic keeper. Same. जो हॉर्स शू मैग्नेट होते हैं, फॉर दैट ऑल्सो यू जस्ट नीड अ मैग्नेटिक कीपर हियर सो दैट बोथ द पोल्स दे आर कवर्ड. So in this way we can keep our magnet safely. So what are magnetic keepers? Magnetic keepers are, children, soft iron pieces used to store the magnet. So for this, आपका magnet will retain the property of attractive property or the property of magnetism. They will not get demagnetized. So this is known as magnetic keeper. I hope, children, it is understood to you very well. Thank you, children, for watching.